Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset and restore your HP Pavilion 2000 series laptop running Windows 10. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to proceed to type in reset. Best match should come back with reset this PC once you type in reset here. You might have to give it a second to load the start menu options, but the best match should say reset this PC. Just left click on that one time to open up the system screen. Okay, so now on the right side here underneath recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. Just let you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. Left click on this get started button right here. So we're going to have two options here underneath choose an option. Either keep your files or to remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, which I would still recommend backing up important files and documents to an external medium source just in case, as well as remove everything, which will do a complete factory reset. And that's what we're going to do in this tutorial. So I'm going to remove everything, doing a complete factory reset. And there's a couple prompts we're going to have to go through before we actually begin the reset process. Okay, so it's going to ask if you also want to clean the drives. Now, if you're going to be holding on to your computer, I would say just removing your files, the first option here, will be sufficient. However, if you plan on donating or giving your computer to somebody else, I'd suggest the second option. But like I said, first option is also going to be quicker, so we're going to just select just remove my files. Again, should be applicable for most, and then you are going to have to confirm that resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, apps and programs, and any changes made to settings will take a while and your PC will restart. Left click on this reset button here to begin this process. It will take some time, so please sit back and be patient. Once I feel like further instructions or details will be needed, I'll jump back in on the narration, and just hang tight and I will be back. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select Next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use Express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit. Or you can click on Customize right here. It should be the middle button. And you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes. And you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are. And I'm going to select Next here. I'm going to select Next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select Not Now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh install Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do Not Now, bottom left. Hi everyone, I'm back. So our HP Pavilion 2000 series laptop has been restored to factory settings. So at this point, feel free to put any programs back on you had to remove during this process, and then I would suggest creating a backup or a system restore point just to preserve that state once you're done getting everything set up how you like it. But we pretty much should be good to go at this point. I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.